Ready to get uninterrupted power? Don't buy an inverter until you see this list.
First, you need the inverter itself. This is the brain that turns battery power into usable electricity. Next, the battery. But before you install, let's talk safety. You'll need a main isolator switch to safely disconnect the power. Good connectors ensure a reliable link. Always wear your safety gear. And unless you're a qualified electrician, hire a professional to ensure everything is done correctly.
This is the main unit that converts the direct current DC that powers your home appliances. Inverter battery. The battery stores the energy that your inverter uses during a power outage. You will need thick, high-quality cables to connect the battery terminals to the inverter. Ensure they are the correct size to handle the current without overheating. Main isolator switch. This switch is installed between the inverter and the distribution board. Inverter. It allows you to safely disconnect the inverter for maintenance or in an emergency. Connectors and terminals. Use high-quality, secure connectors and terminals to create tight, reliable connections. Mounting equipment. A mounting rack or plate may be needed to securely fix the inverter unit.